When you think of Vienna, you might picture Mozart, Klimt's golden art, or a giant Wiener Schnitzel. And yes, Vienna is a city of history and culture where every street tells a story. But Vienna isn't just a museum of the past. It's the world's most livable city year after year. While other cities chase trends, Vienna quietly perfects the art of living well. What's the secret? It's not just one thing, it's a city that works in harmony like a world-class orchestra. Vienna balances imperial grandeur with modern comfort, creating a place that's both timeless and forward-thinking. This is a city that's found the cheat code to urban happiness. What makes Vienna consistently rank as one of the most livable cities in the world? What are the key ingredients that contribute to such a high quality of life for its residents? Start with the basics: flawless infrastructure. From well-maintained roads and bridges to reliable utilities, the city's foundation is built on a commitment to excellence. The public transport system is so clean and reliable, it sets a global standard. With an extensive network of trains, trams, and buses, most people don't even need a car. For about €1 a day, you can get anywhere, anytime, seamlessly navigating the city with ease. No traffic, no stress. The efficient public transport reduces congestion and promotes a more relaxed pace of life. Healthcare is universal and high quality, ensuring that all residents have access to the care they need. With a robust healthcare system in place, so no one worries about medical bills. Vienna is also one of the safest capitals in the world, a testament to its commitment to public safety and security. Kids play freely, enjoying the city's numerous parks and recreational areas. And people walk home at night without fear, knowing that their safety is a top priority. All these things add up to something rare, a city that gives you back your time and peace of mind. Instead of battling daily hassles, like long commutes or worrying about basic needs, you're free to enjoy life. Vienna is engineered for ease, comfort, and community. It's a city designed to enhance the well-being of its citizens. Vienna, a city steeped in history and culture, gracefully carries its rich past. From above, the cityscape unfolds, revealing a tapestry of architectural wonders. Palaces and cathedrals like Schönbrunn and St. Stephen's stand as testaments to a bygone era, but they aren't just relics of the past or mere monuments for tourists. They're integral to the city's pulse, an active and breathing part of daily life, seamlessly woven into the fabric of the present. Students find respite and inspiration lounging in the palace gardens, surrounded by centuries of history. Locals embrace an active lifestyle, jogging past masterpieces, their daily routines unfolding against a backdrop of unparalleled beauty. And history isn't confined to museums or textbooks. It's etched into every street corner, every building facade, everywhere you look. It's alive, breathing, and remarkably accessible, inviting everyone to engage with its stories. The museum's courtier stands as a testament to Vienna's ability to evolve, seamlessly blending the grandeur of imperial architecture, a nod to its regal past. This blends seamlessly with modern art galleries and lively cafes, creating a vibrant hub for culture and connection. It's buzzing with an infectious energy, drawing locals and visitors alike into its embrace. And the traditional coffee houses? They are the very soul of the city. Public living rooms, extensions of homes. They're places where you can linger for hours, lost in thought or conversation, savoring the rich tradition and the stimulating exchange of ideas. Remarkably, half the city is dedicated to green space, a testament to Vienna's commitment to quality of life. From vast, sprawling parks, offering a refuge from the urban bustle, to the recreational haven of the Danube Island, Vienna offers endless ways to relax, unwind, and recharge amidst nature's beauty. It's an invitation to connect with nature, to breathe deeply, and to find serenity within the city limits. Bike paths crisscross Vienna like veins, weaving through the city and connecting its many treasures. This thoughtful infrastructure makes it easy and enjoyable to explore every nook and cranny of this captivating city. Here, leisure isn't considered a luxury reserved for special occasions. It's an essential element, thoughtfully built into the very design of the city, prioritizing well-being. Vienna stands as a shining example, proving that a truly happy life is fundamentally about balance between history and modernity, work and leisure, city and nature. Vienna's approach to housing is revolutionary. Over half the population lives in high-quality, affordable social housing. These aren't neglected projects but well-designed homes with courtyards and amenities integrated into every neighborhood. This keeps the city diverse and prevents the social divide seen elsewhere. Urban planning here is people first. walkable neighborhoods, great public spaces, and sustainable new developments. Unlike cities where profit drives every decision, Vienna invests in community and quality of life. The result? Less stress, lower living costs, and more time to enjoy what matters. Vienna feels like a partner, not an adversary. It's a fundamentally different and more humane way to live. Vienna teaches us through its rich history and modern innovations that a city's greatness isn't solely about economic power or architectural marvels, but is fundamentally measured by the quality of life it offers its residents. It's about creating an environment where people can thrive, connect, and feel a sense of belonging. Not just its wealth, its GDP or skyline, the height of its buildings. Thoughtful planning and a commitment to social equity, ensuring opportunities for all, have together created a city, brick by brick, policy by policy, that's remarkably efficient in its public services and infrastructure, beautiful, with its stunning architecture and well-maintained public spaces, and inspiring, fostering creativity and innovation among its citizens. Vienna proves time and again that investing strategically in public goods, accessible and reliable public transport, abundant green spaces, parks and gardens, affordable and quality housing, ultimately pays off in the collective happiness, well-being, and long-term stability of the entire community. For visitors from around the globe, Vienna is far more than just a destination on a map. It's a tangible glimpse, a living example, of what cities everywhere with the right vision and commitment could aspire to be. Notice the remarkably clean streets, free of litter and well-maintained, the incredible ease of getting around whether by foot, bike, or public transport, and the overall relaxed pace of life, a stark contrast to the frenetic energy of many other major cities. Vienna's secret to success is surprisingly simple. Prioritize building a city designed first and foremost for its people, and everything else, from economic prosperity to social harmony, naturally follows. As you take a leisurely stroll along the banks of the majestic Danube, you begin to truly realize this isn't just statistically the most livable city in the world, year after year. It's a powerful vision of the city we all deserve, a blueprint for a better urban future.